In this question, we've got positive 7 plus negative 4. Since we have to show this using zero pairs, we're first going to start by showing positive 7 using green circles and negative 4 using red circles. So first, let's show positive 7. And positive 7, when using counters, will be shown with 7 green circles because it's positive. Next, let's show negative 4 using counters. But because it's negative 4, we're going to show it using 4 red circles because it's negative. In order to make a zero pair, we have to get a pair of counters where one is green and one is red, because that's saying positive 1 plus negative 1. That pair cancels out to make 0. So this is a zero pair, which means it cancels out. This is a zero pair, which cancels out. This green and this red make a zero pair, which cancels out. This green circle and this red circle also make a zero pair that cancels out. And what we're left with is our sum. That means our final answer to positive 7 plus negative 4 equals positive 3. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on the Math Review.